this video, we will see how a hand-drawn sketch evolves into a fully realized AI-generated image. It starts with a simple sketch of an idea being created in real time, then transitions into a polished marketing piece. The transformation retains key visual anchors, reinforcing the continuity between human creativity and AI refinement.
The piece we're going to do, I want to have a large canvas to the side where I can have information posted. And then on the other side will be a picture of me standing there, presenting the information with one hand on my hip. We'll have some tech border and maybe I'm standing on a round disc platform with lights. That should do it. All right, we're back in ChatGPT. And the first thing we're going to do is open up the tool selection menu and choose create an image. Then I'm going to drop in 3 image references that I want Chat to consider when it's putting together this image. This third image has the entire body, including the shoes. Now I'm going to paste in the prompt. All right, the sketch that we're going to use is pretty long, and it describes the composition and the image references that we're going to use. I also want to describe what the size and layout of is that we want. With a ratio of 9:16. Let's see what it does. The image model is going to begin generating the image. If I don't like it, we can change it. Well, we're back with the first image creation, and this did a pretty good job of capturing the theme that I wanted and also the character references down to the shoes. However, I do need the image to be a bit wider so that I can ultimately create a list of upcoming events on this screen. So we're going to roll the image another time. This is where iterative development is really the key with AI. So I'm going to say I need more space between her and the screen. And the screen needs to be square to the camera because I'm going to populate it with events. So we're going to try to widen this to a 3:4 and do it again. All right, we're definitely getting closer. This time the screen is more square. It's taking up more of the space on here. So I could probably fit some words, but definitely not as many as I need to. So let's make it even wider. So let's try one more time with another prompt iteration. I'm going to ask the image to go wider and accommodate a wide, long list and use a 16:9 layout. Let's see how that does. This is pretty good. The screen is a little bit bigger here for me to write some text, but we did lose her on the disk floating platform here. So let's do another iteration. See how this goes. Okay, Chat is done building it, and here's the final image. I think this is pretty good. Let's go ahead and take it over into Photoshop and do some editing. I've brought the piece over here to Photoshop, and I added the text I wanted to add into the screen, which fits just fine. Now we'll post it to social media. That's all for today. Thanks for joining.